Hello, in this video I will show you another method to charge your iPhone 12 series, which comes without a power socket. So this is iPhone 12 mini. How we charge: we need a USB cable, just a USB cable like that. So connect with the USB port to your iPhone 12 series, any iPhone 12, and then the USB to your PC or laptop here. And now you see the iPhone is charging. I will disconnect so that you see properly. You will see now I connect, and now the iPhone is charging via USB cable with your PC or laptop device.